Very good morning. This presentation is brought to you by Resonate International with a mission to leverage knowledge worldwide. The topic being covered is happiness, the neuroscience of a fulfilled mind. Ladies and gentlemen, happiness, often pursued yet rarely defined with precision, is more than an abstract emotion. Scientific research increasingly reveals that happiness is a neurobiological state influenced by genetics, brain chemistry, behavior, environment, and individual choices. While external circumstances contribute, happiness is fundamentally a state of mind, one shaped by neural activity, cognitive processes, biochemical interactions, and daily behaviors. Understanding its mechanisms offers an opportunity to cultivate and sustain it in ways once thought impossible. Modern neuroscience identifies special brain structures and chemical messengers that govern happiness. The prefrontal cortex, amygdala, and limbic system collectively regulate emotional experiences. Neurotransmitters such as serotonin, dopamine, and oxytocin serve as critical biochemical drivers of positive emotions. Elevated serotonin levels are associated with mood stability, while dopamine reinforces pleasure and motivation. Oxytocin, often called the bonding hormone, fosters social connections and trust. Behavior plays a crucial role in shaping mental states and determining long-term happiness. Studies in behavioral neuroscience indicate that habitual thought patterns and actions reinforce neural pathways, either promoting well-being or contributing to distress. Positive behaviors such as expressing gratitude, engaging in acts of kindness, and maintaining strong connections socially activate neural circuits linked to sustained happiness. Conversely, chronic stress, negative self-talk, and social withdrawal reinforce pathways associated with anxiety and depression. Verbal interaction significantly influences emotional states. Research in physiolinguistics and cognitive neuroscience highlights that words, whether spoken or written, have measurable effects on brain chemistry and emotional well-being. Harsh language, criticism, or hostile communication trigger the release of stress hormones such as cortisol, increasing anxiety and emotional distress in both the sender and the receiver. Conversely, positive and purposeful communication fosters the release of oxytocin and serotonin, enhancing social bonding and reinforcing neural pathways linked to happiness. Studies from leading cognitive science institutions demonstrate that individuals who engage in constructive empathetic communication experience lower stress levels and greater emotional resilience. Ancient wisdom echoes this truth. Philosophers and spiritual traditions alike have long emphasized that words shape reality as much as actions do. As a simple yet profound example, research indicates that offering a kind word to a stranger or expressing gratitude can activate the brain's reward system, leading to a measurable boost in well-being. Genetic predisposition plays a role, but studies on neuroplasticity indicate that happiness is not solely determined at birth. The brain's ability to rewire itself allows individuals to reshape thought patterns and emotional responses. Research suggests that gratitude, mindfulness, and acts of kindness stimulate neural circuits linked to long-term well-being. Even brief daily exercises in mindfulness or positive reflection alter brain activity, leading to measurable improvements in emotional health. The role of external conditions cannot be overlooked, but their impact diminishes over time. Studies indicate that once basic needs are met, income or material possessions have limited influence on sustained happiness. Instead, intrinsic factors such as purpose, resilience, and social relationships exhibit a stronger correlation with lasting contentment. Psychological research emphasizes that cognitive appraisal, the way events are interpreted, holds greater power over emotions than the events themselves. What's the way forward? Scientific advancements suggest practical ways to optimize happiness. Regular physical activity triggers endorphins release, reducing stress and enhancing mood. Balanced nutrition, particularly foods rich in omega-3 fatty acids, influences neurotransmitter function, while adequate sleep regulates emotional stability. Digital detox and reducing overstimulation from technology mitigate anxiety and enhance cognitive clarity. Behavioral science highlights the importance of intentional habit formation. Practicing positive behaviors such as reframing negative thoughts, fostering optimism, and engaging in regular social interactions strengthens neural pathways linked to happiness. Cognitive behavioral strategies, including developing emotional intelligence and practicing meditation, have been shown to improve mental well-being. Longevity studies indicate that social bonds are among the strongest predictors of happiness. Acts of altruism, engaging in fulfilling work, and setting intrinsic rather than extrinsic goals cultivate a deeper sense of purpose. Mindful communication is a crucial yet often overlooked strategy. Choosing words carefully, practicing active listening, and fostering constructive dialogue can significantly reduce stress and promote emotional well-being. Scientific research underscores that positive verbal interactions can rewire the brain towards greater emotional resilience, reducing the unnecessary psychological burden that negative communication can impose. In conclusion, ladies and gentlemen, happiness is not an elusive external entity, but a dynamic interplay of neural processes, psychological resilience, behavior, and intentional actions. While genetics and environment play roles, the capacity to shape happiness remains largely within reach. A scientific understanding of the brain's adaptability highlights that happiness is not a static condition but a cultivated state of mind, one that thrives on conscious effort, meaningful connections, and an enriched perspective on life. Behavior, particularly the power of language, reinforces that happiness is not only a personal pursuit but also an interpersonal responsibility. The words spoken today shape the emotions of tomorrow. Just as neuroscience uncovers the pathways of happiness, ancient wisdom reminds that the mind is both the creator and the receiver of reality. In the pursuit of happiness, knowledge offers the greatest empowerment, but wisdom ensures its lasting presence. True fulfillment arises not merely from seeking happiness, but from consciously creating it within oneself and in the world around. Good luck, best wishes, and God bless.